Time for another dose of unboxing. Sustainable secondhand saving steal deals from the RealReal. Sustainable secondhand saving steal deals from the RealReal. RealReal under $50. This is part of my segment of buying things from the RealReal secondhand, way under retail, trying them on and telling you guys what I think and comparing them to the original price. Blah, blah, blah. Saving some money and putting that money towards something else, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a Shopaholic, and today we're doing a quick unboxing from the RealReal, sustainable secondhand saving steal deals from the RealReal. Okay, this is a quick one, it's a small one, and so if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash the like button, please consider subscribing, and keep on watching. Okay, so I wanted a few new dress pants, but didn't want to break the break. RealReal under $50, sustainable. Okay, so I saw these pair of pants. They were $36 from Prada, and I was like, oh, they were my size, everything like that. Pro tip: dress pants and jeans on the RealReal, especially Prada and YSL, go for like really low. There's a ton of options under $100. Pants, jeans, everything. So if you're looking for something like that, they have options, they have colors, and they have sizes, and all are in very good condition. Or not all of them, but a lot of them are in very good condition. Buy it, dry clean it, wash it, and then use it. So I saw this pair of $36 cropped pants from Prada in black, which I've been looking for another black pair of pants that would fit me right now because I'm a little bit. These ended up being super tight. I'm already wearing them right now because I already bought them. Voila! They're a little tight. I'm sure these go for way more. Ooh, very nice, very soft. They're cropped dress pants with the little striping, which I kind of love. Doesn't say the price on here. Let's try them on real quick, okay? I actually really love the pattern. Okay, let's try them on real quick. Honestly, it's a little tight. It's a little fitted, but I really like it, and it was really affordable, and it can be gold weight pants, and I like the little crop. What do you guys think? I think it's really cool. Yeah? Let me know in the comments below. They're cropped, and they're pinstriped, and I'm gonna consider them gold weight pants because why not? So, hello Chai. So I don't know, what do you guys think? I think they're pretty cool. And like I said, they were $36, they're in very condition. There's literally no wear, and they're hemmed, they're fit, everything, there's nothing missing. I love them. So yeah, I'm gonna wear them today. So that's it, yay, short and sweet, I did it. So what do you guys think? Do you like them, do you love them, do you hate them, do you want them, do you need them? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one, baby.